Then from here, we have our setup and plan for EU. And first thing first, our rate is market structure, both internal and external market structure. And if you see it closely here, we had a change of character to the downside, then a pullback, then a change of character to the upside. This was our last change of character to the downside. Then this was a change of character. Then you had a change of character to the upside, which is here. Then you have our breaker block, our last buy to sell candle, our last buy to sell candle, which is this one. Our last buy to sell candle, which is this one. And our plan is very, very, very simple. You can wait for the price to come back to this buy breaker block. Then you look for buys. That will be scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2, we're gonna wait for the break. You can see here this pullback. This is a valid pullback, but you need to see the candle close above here. Then if it closes above here, then you're going to have our breaker, our break of structure to the upside, right? So right now you're gonna be a little bit more patient and you see what really happened just on the London Open. We just few hours, few minutes for London Open to start. Then for GBP, JPY, yesterday we had a clean trade on GBP, JPY. We had a clean trade from here and then you got out from around here. Then for gold, everything is still intact. Had a change of character, then you had a break of structure. Now the price just came back to our sell order block. Now you're waiting for our final confirmation before we sell. But before we sell, we need to see the price taking out this liquidity, because we have plenty of liquidity to this side. We need to see this liquidity being taken out like this. Then we look for sell confirmation. We continue selling to the downside. So let's go back to GJ. GJ is still very, very, very easy, both external and internal. We had the break of structure to the downside. You can see it from here. Then we had a change of character to the upside from here. Then we had a break of structure to the upside from here. Then we had to go down to 15 minutes for our internal market structure. We had our first break of structure to the upside, internal market structure. We had another break of structure to the upside, internal market structure. We took our entry around here. Then we had a continuation break of structure to the upside, right? And then right now our recent order block is just here, this area. Now we need to see the price coming back to that order block so that we can take we look for our buy confirmation from this area. Then we target the next swing high. And scenario number 1 will be that. Then scenario number 2 is going to be, if the price disrespect this area, going to wait for the break, then a retest, then a continuation to the downside. Targeting for the sales, I'll be targeting this swing low, and for the buys, I'll be targeting this swing high. This liquidity area. So that's it for GJ. And then for UJ, pretty simple price action. Just a break of structure to the upside, which is around here. Change of character to the upside, which is here. Just from this. Now we need to see the price coming back to this You can see it from here. This order block, which is just down here. You can check one from the 50 minutes. You can see if you can have. Yeah, we have also. No, it's not, this one not valid. We're going to use the 1 hour order block, and then if you look closely on the 50 minutes, the internal market structure is bearish. So we need to see the internal market structure also shifting to bullish. At scenario number 1, you're gonna wait for the price to come back, tap here, then you look for the change of character to the downside. Then we get our buy confirmation, then we buy. That will be scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2, we're gonna wait for the break from this order block. If it's disrespected, then wait for the retest, then a continuation to the downside. Those are those scenarios, guys, and I'll be updating each and everything towards the new session. Peace out.